Those little Reese's. Actually, this is going to be my fourth one. Look, what is this?
This is Mirror Mirror, the movie.
No, it's Snow White.
Yes, baby. Don't
Hey,
pull on
Piper.
my chair
Piper.
or you'll have a cow.
Say hi to the camera. How old are you? You know how old you are. What school do you go to? Yes, you do know. If you tell me, I'll give you a ring pop.
Bianca just now realized it was ring pops.
Bianca's the only.
Hey,
Piper's the
go
only
get
one
me a
gonna.
white mystery airhead.
Piper's the only one willing to be on camera.
Go look.
Right, Piper?
I did yesterday.
Well, what school do you go to?
John Ross.
Throw it in the trash. You better throw that in the trash. Trash. What are you doing? Don't. Don't video.
I touched my mouth. There too. Y'all can say John Ross and you'll get one. John Ross.
No, what school do you go to?
John Ross.
Look at me.
John Ross. Told you.
Oh man.
Where's your ring pop at, Ethan? Piper? It's bright red in here.